Hi everyone. In this video today we're going to be talking about lavender. If you grow lavender outside in your garden and it comes back every year, how do you trim it, prune it back? It's very simple and I'm going to show you on this video. I do not have lavender winter over very often here, but I have one specific plant. For some reason it's stronger than all the rest of the plants. I noticed the other day that it needed pruned back, so I'm going to take you through that right now. This lavender plant has been here for, this is the third year now, and it keeps coming back. Normally I have a lot of trouble saving lavender, but this one has just not given up. As you can see all the old growth, right? All that gray looking foliage. That needs trimmed off, okay? So we're going to trim that off. And then let's investigate a little bit closer. See all the new growth coming? Look at that. Look at all the new growth. Isn't that something? All right, so let's get trimming it. You can see here, look at there, I got growth way up here even. Or I can just take these down because it's going to make the plant come in a whole lot nicer. So I got my old fabulous pruner, so just kind of watch me. You're taking off the dead stuff, right? And it still has a little smell to it. But I'm going to tidy it up. You can kind of watch me. See, now you can really see some new growth, can't you? This is a woody plant. You can see it's very woody. Now here's one. I'm just going to cut it down. It does got new growth up here, but I'm going to cut it way down. Well, I was pulling some weeds today under a fence, but you know, you get busy outside and pretty soon you're getting in a big hurry, and I got caught on the fence. It didn't really hurt. It probably hurts more now than it did, but it'll be okay. But you always get some owies when you're outside working. I'm just going to take and trim this up really nice and get it pretty even with each other. I'm really taking it back. But it's going to look so nice in a couple weeks. Real nice. Look at all that new growth. So doesn't that look a little nicer? Absolutely. Looks really good. So there's my one lavender plant. I planted several one year. This is the only one that is surviving. The only one. And it smells so good. There's what I took off, and there's what we have. And just think, in a couple weeks we're going to have a lot more growth. So I just wanted to share with you how I cut down my lavender when it does winter over. All right, 18 days later, it turned out to be a nice full mound, and it's just going to keep growing and growing. So don't be afraid to cut back your lavender, and good luck. Let me know how it does. So you can also use if you have one of those battery operated or electric pruners, shears, you should be able to use that to cut down. I use a lot of things like that for my bushes around here. I'll just take and shear them off, and that works really good. So the main reason why you want to prune your lavender in the spring is to get rid of that dead wood, all the dead growth, and when you do that, then you have all this nice lush green lavender that will come up, and it's going to create a really nice plant. As you can see how fast mine grew, it's going to be really nice by end of the summer. So it's very beneficial to do that to your plants in the spring, some of them that you just want to cut back your dead growth. So if you want to watch some of my other videos, I will post a link up here above. Just go ahead and watch some of my latest videos. I would appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. As always, just appreciate a thumbs up on this video. It helps me grow my channel, gets my channel seen more, and also toss a comment down below. I'd appreciate it. Love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, go ahead and do that right now. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I have new content coming on my garden channel. If you like this video, can I get a thumbs up? Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified of all my new video content. Thank you, and I will see you next time.